Welcome to Hypnosis for Turbo Weight Loss. The following visualizations have been tailored specifically to help you shed unwanted pounds quickly and permanently. Breathe in and breathe out. These words will make it easy to relax into the body you want. This isn't hard, and it doesn't take long because you are already closer than you think. Breathe in and breathe out. Enjoying these visualizations gives you the power to transform your skepticism into certainty. Breathe in and breathe out. As you allow each obstacle to dissolve, your weight loss will become obvious. Breathe in and breathe out. The fastest way to lose weight is to focus on the evidence that you already are losing weight. Breathe in and breathe out. Welcoming positive changes accelerates your progress with even less effort than before. Breathe in and breathe out. This recording is designed to help you transform anxiety about your body into pleasant anticipation. Breathe in and breathe out. Your body responds immediately to any transition in your belief system. Breathe in and breathe out. When you are convinced that weight loss occurs because you feel better, each time you listen to this recording, you will lose more and more weight. Breathe in and breathe out. There is no work to do, and there are no diets to adhere to. Breathe in and breathe out. Your only task is to graciously allow the changes to materialize. Breathe in and breathe out. It is easier and more natural to relax and enjoy your well-being. Breathe in and breathe out. Starvation does not deliver the results you desire. Abandon the struggle and prepare to watch the excess weight fall away. Breathe in and breathe out. Feeling wonderful is a sign that you are achieving your goal. Breathe in and breathe out. Everything you want for yourself is already within reach. Breathe in and breathe out. You are about to achieve your ideal weight with less effort than you believe possible. Breathe in and breathe out. Listening to this recording often increases your confidence and self-esteem. Breathe in and breathe out. Your success is exponential, and you are never deprived. Breathe in and breathe out. The earliest stages of weight loss are emotional. You feel lighter and happier. Breathe in and breathe out. Focus less on the scale and more on feeling good, and your weight loss will become obvious. Breathe in and breathe out. Before long, you will slide on a pair of jeans and they will hang off of your hips, hardly staying on at all. Breathe in and breathe out. You will become aware of your own thigh gap. Breathe in and breathe out. When you exercise, your body will feel light and strong. You notice significant gains in your level of fitness. Breathe in and breathe out. Your skin is clear and you look younger and healthier. Breathe in and breathe out. One day soon, you will take down boxes off the shelf in your closet and add one item after another back into your wardrobe. Breathe in and breathe out. People will begin to comment on your weight loss. Breathe in and breathe out. You will wonder that you ever doubted the wisdom and perfection of your body. Breathe in and breathe out. You forgive yourself and others for ever having any doubt. Breathe in and breathe out. Your commitment to self-care grows continuously because you enjoy being in your own skin. Breathe in and breathe out. Life becomes more exciting and adventurous. Breathe in and breathe out. Attractive people are always engaging you in conversation. Breathe in and breathe out. You pursue and achieve the life you always dreamed of. Breathe in and breathe out. You are making wonderful progress. The changes you seek are already taking place. Appreciate yourself for who you are and who you are becoming.